So right now I have my visor down. Hopefully it's gonna make any difference. If no, I'm just gonna wait for the other one, for the other helmet. Hopefully it's gonna be better. Let me open my visor because shit is getting foggy. Never mind. Let's move. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna sound. Let's see if it's gonna be still too much wind or it's gonna sound a little better. I have the microphone in a different position now, and then sadly I had a lot of footage already, but I was messing with my cell phone and the other SD card, so I lost a lot of footage of riding, including some close calls that some black lady was chasing me and she was throwing her car at me. So hopefully it's gonna be better. What we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take the 105 freeway. We are going west, so we're going 105, 7 turns out, and then 91 west. That's my commute every day. So I can go to the shop in Gardena. So let's try this motovlogging again. If for any reason the microphone or still sounding like shit, so like I said, I already ordered another helmet. I ordered an AJV. So hopefully that's gonna help. If it does not help, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the microphone, and everything I'll be doing is gonna just be posting videos. It's like videos already, no voice. Another thing I can do is I can do voiceover. I can try to record my voice, maybe with my cell phone, and then stick it over on the video. Let me try to get through. We'll wait.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my love life, sending no rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regret. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we
What the fuck are you doing, bitch? Really? Really? Well, today's work, people. First, the big pickup truck tried to cut me off, and then the car on my right, silver one, I think it was. I guess it's Monday. Everybody's having a bad morning, but let me tell you, that's not my fault. Well, let me tell you something I really love about this bike. The quick shifter. Man, the quick shifter is the best thing of my life. Well, not the best thing of my life, but this quick shifter is something crazy. Like yours goes in like butter. Either up, check it out. Up, down. That's pretty good. I mean, if you want to switch your riding settings, you can do it on the fly. Just press this one here, and then it's gonna take you to the quick setting. If you're gonna go sport, just check it out. All you gotta do is hold it for like 1, 2, 3 seconds. You see how sport there? On this one rocker, you can go race, sport, street. So you can adjust it on the fly. The only thing it's gonna ask you is just gonna be let go the throttle, and then you'll be set. So I always ride on sport, leave it there, turn off the bike. But yeah, pretty good stuff. Hopefully the microphone sounds way better now. Let me turn off the rear camera. Let me turn this one off. See you later.